Well, pretty much I'm back in the place where I used to come here with my father when I was only about 7, possibly around that age. And net fish off the cliffs here. It's not quite the same place, but it's close enough where we were before. Some places may be already demolished, as you can see, from decaying rocks over the years. It's been, 45 years, maybe more. But I am very close to the place. There's an ex-military hut or house or block out there. I know that's the place there, but there's somebody living in it right now, so I can't go into that place. And I know I used to shelter in there when it was winter time with my father. He used to tell me to wait there. He comes down the cliffs a bit and does his thing, and I used to wait up there. But anyway, I'm very close to the place I used to be. I think I'm happy enough now that I've made it to the place and able to walk down here and do it. 12 months ago I was not able to do it. So I've gained something today. I've lost the weight I wanted to lose, and it's feeling fantastic. Still more places to see though, but I'll get to that eventually. This is the place. I spent a lot of time here with my father, my uncles. They're all gone now, but memories are still there. They never disappear. Catch a lot of fish here.